Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fourth numerical of influence line diagram for support reaction. Question is written as a UDL of intensity 5 kN per meter and length 4 meter is moving on a span of 20 meter. The UDL length is given as 4 meter and its magnitude is given as 5 kN per meter and a total span length is given as 20 meter. What will be the location of UDL when reaction at left support is twice of reaction at support B? It means that when reaction at support A is twice of reaction at support B, then what will be the location of UDL, which we need to determine from here. Okay. Now, for finding the location of the UDL, we need to place the UDL at a distance of x meter from A, which is shown here. And for finding the value of RA, we need to plot the influence line diagram for RA, for which we need to lift the support A by unit amount and the resulted deflected shape will be the ILD for RA. Now we need to find the vertical ordinate P and Q at the starting of the UDL at the ending of the UDL. Okay. Now P and Q can be determined from the similar triangle property, which will be equals to 1 by 20 equals to P by 20 minus x. So P will be equals to 20 minus x upon 20. Similarly, we can determine Q also, which will be equals to 20 minus x plus 4 upon 20. Now, for the calculation of RA, we need to multiply this uniformly distributed load intensity with the area of this portion, that is trapezium portion. So it will be equals to 5 into half sum of vertical ordinate, that is P plus Q, into base, that is 4 meter. On putting all this value, we will get RA as 18 minus x. That will be the value of RA. Now for finding the value of RB, we need to plot the influence line diagram for RB, for which we need to lift the support B by unit amount and the resulted deflected shape will be the ILD for RB. Okay. Now we need to determine the value of ordinate P and Q. So it can be determined from the similar triangle property and it will be equals to 1 by 20 is equals to P by X and its value will be equals to X by 20. Similarly, Q can be determined by X plus 4 by 20. And for the calculation of RB, we need to multiply this UDL load intensity with the area of this trapezium, which will be equals to 5 into 1 by 2 into base, that is 4, into P plus Q, that is the vertical ordinates. Okay. On putting all the values here, we will get RB equals to X plus 2. Now, in the question, it is given that reaction at left support is twice reaction at right support. Okay. So we will put this condition here, that is RA is equals to 2 times of RB, and putting the value of RA, that is 18 minus x, and RB, that is x plus 2, we will get the value of x as 4.67 meter. It means that we need to place the UDL at a distance of 4.67 meter from support A, so that RA will be equals to 2 times of RB. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.